Is the market about to break out? I'm going to make a quick update today on both Bitcoin and ETH in this very video. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want to see more content like this on the channel. So I've made you aware of all the key levels up ahead for Bitcoin. And yesterday there was an attempted breakthrough the key level of resistance, 104.8K to 105.1K. We didn't actually manage to close the daily above, and in fact, it formed a bearish pattern on that level of support to lose it. This head and shoulders pattern over here, this being your neckline, we broke down, but made everyone aware in the Discord that there was a double bottom playing out over here. And you can also see an inverse head and shoulders. But at the time of the call, we had this double bottom on the 15-minute time frame, very low time frame, but yeah, we could see that the pattern was attempting to lose this support. It then becomes resistance, but the fact that we're pushing back through it, we just want it to hold as support now. That is meant to be our higher low. And so we're looking for a higher high above this into the next resistance. Zooming back out on the daily, as you can see, that's 106.8 to 108K. This is my final level of resistance where the bearish probabilities really are lowered. If we break it, they are still there. The probabilities of dumping down lower are still there as long as we are under this key level 106, 108K, but breaking that invalidates all of this. So future targets above that level would be up until 130,000, as you can see. Moving over to Ethereum, everyone's getting excited. Let me just remove all the drawings because we are getting this falling wedge breakout. And on the daily, we're actually trying to reclaim all the EMAs. I would wait for the daily candle close. If you're already in a position, maybe the daily candle close could be used to add to that position if it is above. But if we actually come back down underneath, we need to see the support hold. We've already bounced from that support. That's what's given us this breakout. So hopefully this is the time ETH actually brings altcoin season. We see ETH finally pushing through 4K this time round. And I'm also seeing a lot of altcoins having bottomed out. Not all coins in the market, guys, but a lot of coins in the market. If you remember, I did make an update a couple days back suggesting that most coins are totally fine. There are a select few, Bitcoin, ETH, US-based tokens, smart contract platforms, DEX coins, RWAs, but very few RWAs. I'm talking about Chainlink, AVAX, IOTA, Ondo, Mantra, BKN, CPOOL, only really those ones. The others, I don't know. But those are the categories I'm talking about that are going to, of course, perform well. Maybe we can argue AI. I was always a believer of AI, but this deep seek stuff really devalues all of AI. So that's why they've kind of been struggling. Not all have been struggling, but a lot have. Very saturated, overvalued, and so on. I definitely think they will have their moment. But yeah, I'd also believe that there will be those few coins that will just continue to struggle regardless of ETH bottoming out and potentially breaking out and dragging the rest of the market up. We're getting Bitcoin waking up. ETH is outperforming Bitcoin today with a move of almost 5%. So yeah, very exciting times. We're finally seeing, let's go to the ETH BTC chart, finally seeing a potential move up. We have seen many of them that have eventually failed. So this is really just the beginning of something. We don't know if it will pump into the moving averages and reject and roll over again. At least for this very moment, we're seeing alts outperforming Bitcoin. So that would mean, you might be watching other altcoin videos on the channel, maybe a HBAR update or the Quant updates or the SUI or the Sol updates, whatever it is, altcoins are now outpacing Bitcoin. So they are all technically better investments. As of this moment, if we start rolling over again, then it's the opposite. Bitcoin is going to hold up better, Bitcoin is better, and so on and so forth. Hopefully this is the altcoin season. Let me know in the comment section below if you think we are now breaking out to head above 4K to a new all-time high. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to get educated, or you want TA on a daily basis on any coins, check out the Discord community. I'm also teaching you in there during my live streams. Cheers, everyone.